Hey, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this Dollar Tree garland to make windowsill pieces or a centerpiece for your table. The first thing I did to find my center was tie off the end of both pieces to the chair and then held it straight out and cut it in the middle. Kind of guesstimated, really. We are going to be doing a 4-strand braid for this piece of garland. So first thing I'm going to do is take this string just to demonstrate, and I'm going to be really bad at explaining this, so I'm just going to do it on camera for you guys, and if you need to, you can rewind it a couple times. But I made a loop, and then I took my other piece of string, which will be the garland, and pull it through, and it actually was way harder to do it with the string than it is the garland. The garland has the metal wire in it where it actually kind of stays in its place as I go along, where this string is just so loosey-goosey, just wants to go wherever it wants to go. But basically, I take the left side and go over the string on the left, and then on the right side, I go underneath the closest string and then back over the center. And like I said, I'm going to be bad at explaining this, so maybe just rewatch it a couple times. And then, yeah. And then we just keep repeating these steps on each side until we get to the end of it. And try to keep your strings, garland, as even as possible. But of course, it's not going to be perfect. When you get to the end, you're going to have like a couple inches on one strand more than the other, but you'll see. It's not that hard. It's just hard to explain. But I definitely think this braid is worth doing because I'm able to move that piece of garland around, and it's going to be so easy to pack and unpack and keep using for years to come. So here I go with the garland, and like I said, it is way easier than the string. So I already made my loop, and I'm pulling the string through, and then I just kind of stretch all of it out just to make sure that it's kind of laying evenly and just all the same length. But like I said, when you get to the end, it's going to be a little off. And as you can see, this is why I demonstrated with the string. It's really hard to keep track of where all the branches are going. Once you get going, or you try with some string or shoelaces or whatever you're going to use a couple times, you'll get the hang of it so fast. It's okay if the braid is not perfect as well, because we're going to be pulling it looser and kind of fluffing it up, so it doesn't have to be a certain tightness or a certain looseness. We're going to be kind of molding it and fluffing it. Okay, now that the braid is all done, you're going to see that I am just kind of fluffing it and stretching it out a little bit to make it look a little more full. And that just takes some playing with, laying it down, keep looking at it, see where it needs to be fluffed more. I love the way that it turned out though. Like you can move it around so easy. I know this is going to be so easy to pack and put away and to keep reusing. I'm really happy with it. And as you can see, there is some extra strands. I just kind of twisted the end and folded it underneath. And then for the loose parts, I just snipped off with some wire cutters. Super easy. I'm definitely going to be making some of these later on this week for around my home. But look at this. You can just like flop it anywhere. Like it is so, that's kind of an idea right there too. You can make like a candle holder or something. But so many options. The first option that I'm doing is I'm going to be kind of weaving some ribbon through it. This ribbon came from the Dollar Tree. All of the products came from the Dollar Tree except for 2 of the picks that I'm going to be using. Some of the picks came from the Dollar Tree and then 2 didn't. Maybe just 1. I'm confused on where I got the holly branches from. I'm pretty sure I got it from the Dollar Tree, but you'll have to remind me in the comments where that came from. If it's not from the Dollar Tree, I always get my picks from Walmart for $1. This is super easy. All I'm doing is just weaving it through, and I am not gluing anything down as I go along. I'm just leaving it in its place afterwards because next year, if I change my theme or something, I can just take the ribbon and the picks out and just do something completely different with the braid. I'm definitely going to keep reusing them. They fit perfect on my window seals. I think I'll get some LED candlesticks or something and put it through. Maybe more fairy lights. I'm not sure. Now that the ribbon's through, I'm going to go ahead and add my berries, which are the gold and the red ones, and both of these came from the Dollar Tree. I think my next garland I'm going to be making for my living room windows, I'm going to do a thicker burlap weaving through, and I even think I might put some of that fake snow that I'm kind of addicted to this year and just make a whole glittery mess. We'll see how that turns out. This project was so easy, and like I said, I'm not gluing any of these berries down just so that I can reuse it and change it my theme. Now I'm going to be weaving through the fairy lights, which I kind of just give it a general weave through, and then I'll turn the lights on and pull the lights out where I want them mainly. So easy. Too easy. So cute, so simple, and so easy. After I placed it up there on my windowsill, I felt like something was missing, and so I ended up using a Dollar Tree deer ornament and just snipped off the tag and placed it in there, and because of the braid weave, it just held it in place. You don't have to glue anything. For the second one I'm doing, I'm going to be using the Santa Snow, and I loved, this is definitely my favorite out of the two, how this turned out. I just love how the Santa Snow takes away from like the super green shininess of Dollar Tree Garland. But this is going to be going on my table, so I am going to be using candle holders from the Dollar Tree, of course, and the candlesticks are also from the Dollar Tree. These are the picks that I'm confused where I got them. I guess I was going to use them in a previous project, so the tag was off and some of them were already pre-cut. I feel like I've seen them at the Dollar Tree, but if not, like I said, I probably got them from Walmart. I know the other picks that I'm going to be using in this one definitely came from Walmart for $1. And just like before, I'm just snipping off different sizes and placing them where I think they look the best. Again, so stinking easy. I originally was going to do 3 candles in it, but I ended up only having one set of the 2 candles. So again, I went with the deer ornament. But next time I go to the Dollar Tree, I might just pick up another candle to put in the center. But this turned out really cute too, and it sticks with the woodland theme. You guys probably have been looking at these pine cones all year like me. I got these from Walmart for $2, $1.98, whatever they do. They're just covered in the white snow, and I thought it added just a cute woodland touch to it. And of course, no crafting project is complete without one of my cats' approval, apparently. See, this is why nobody comes over to my house to eat, because I constantly have to get the cats off the table, no matter how hard I hit them. Just kidding. But yeah, they love being up there. They have to be all up in my business. If I find a cat tree on sale for Christmas, that's their Christmas present. Maybe they'll stay off my table. These crafts were so stinking easy. I hope you guys try them out. Like I said, they're so easy to pack away. I can see you guys using them for years to come. I really love how this one turned out. It's definitely my favorite out of the 2, even though the other one matches my home decor better. I'm really loving this like woodland glam look. It's just so pretty. And those charger plates in the background, of course, came from the Dollar Tree as well. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. For me, definitely Woodland Glam. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to stick around, subscribe. Thank you.